Ivan Meštrović bought Kaštilac and the surrounding land in 1939, at the same time as the construction of the artist's villa in Split was completed. Today, this is the Meštrović Gallery. The existing building of Kaštilac was greatly changed by Mestrovic, with new additions, especially the western part, which he wanted to customize according to his needs, the presentation and storage of sculptures. Architect Harold Bilinić, in cooperation with the builder Marin Marasović, built, in the western part of the complex, in accordance with Mestrovic's preliminary sketches, a spacious garden with a covered porch on 28 Doric columns that leads to a simple longitudinal chapel, small church of the Holy Cross. The sculptor's cycle of wooden reliefs, begun in Switzerland in 1916 and finally completed in 1950 in his studio at the American University in Syracuse in New York, was later permanently placed there. Respecting Mestrovic's detailed plans for setting relief and instructions for the final decoration of the Church of the Holy Cross, the complex was opened to the public in 1954. One of Mestrovic's conditions on how to look after the complex with small church was the maintenance of Mass in the national language and only in the Old Slavic language.